Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale a 1994 5.0 Ford engine, multi-port fuel-injected EFI. Came out of a boat that had a bad transom. Runs good. Compression's running 130, 135 on all cylinders. Oil change's been done. Yeah, that's about all I can tell you about it. Good running engine. Fire it up here for you. It's on a little bit of a squeaky belt on it, no big deal. Good sounding motor. Had to shut it off. Restart it. I'm guessing a belt. All right. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.